Hello everyone, it is Danny and welcome to this update video. I trust and hope you're doing really great. So we're going to be talking about what is going on in the realm of weather in the vicinity of the Caribbean. There's no doubt that it's been very dry and hot. Fortunately, it's pretty windy for some of us, which helps out with the heat. But we've got two tropical waves which are helping to enhance some increased moisture in sections of the northern Caribbean. But a new plume of dust is headed in as well. And notice that in the vicinity of the Lesser Antilles, not seeing anything significant. So it's pretty sunny, pretty hot, and I'm sure it's pretty hazy down there. Let me know what conditions are like for you. So yeah, but across sections of the Northern Caribbean throughout today, especially since early this morning, there's been some showers and thunderstorms taking place across some areas. For example, in Jamaica early this morning, some places got some pretty intense shower and thunderstorm activity in the east. And we see a blob here in the southern Gulf of Mexico. Now, this isn't anything being watched for any sorts of development. Matter of fact, things look to be quiet in that regard, at least for the next 2 weeks or so. But then we see lots of action towards the eastern Pacific. Not at all something that is crazy to see pretty much at the time of year here. So in terms of rainfall, let's take a look at the graphic here and we can see these different shadings. More color means more rain expected. So we're seeing more of these orange going towards the red shadings for sections of the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, Cuba, some spots in Jamaica, the Cayman Islands as well. So there's likely to be additional periods of some showers and thunderstorms between, the rest of today going into tomorrow afternoon. As for Hispaniola, it's primarily for the Dominican Republic that we could see some heavier downpours. Not a high chance of rain for Puerto Rico generally, and that chance reduces even more for the Virgin Islands and throughout much of the Lesser Antilles. But a few showers could pass through, especially for the southern Windward Islands, Grenada, the Grenadines, and even Trinidad. For the ABC Islands, rain chance not at all high, but hopefully there could be a stray shower or so. Any rain helps out with the heat right now. And then across northern South America, the Guyanas, we're seeing those colorful shadings, so likely to be some heavy downpours. Same story towards much of the Central American countries. In some places, there will definitely be some periods of heavy downpours. Now, on this graphic here, we can see the different atmospheric features being marked. So we've got these two tropical waves. One is in the Central Caribbean, another in the east. And these are helping out to increase rainfall activity. Not very significantly right now, because that's also competed with some dry air and all that dust. And as I speak, let's take a look at that. So right now, we actually do have a new mass of that dust coming in. So sections of the Northern Caribbean, even going up to the Bahamas, even Richmond, Florida, are being blanketed by that dust. So here we've got that new mass which is coming in. That's a very crooked arrow right there. But yeah, let's go out in time and see. So as we head into this weekend, going towards Saturday, and even headed into the new week Sunday, there's going to be quite a bit of dust affecting most Caribbean islands. So it's going to be that time when we should think about this in regards to our health, because especially in the more sensitive persons, it could trigger breathing issues, allergies, skin and eye irritation will also be very possible. So that is something that we should definitely pay attention to. And on the bright side, this does help to limit tropical cyclone development. So that's what we have going on. This is not out of the norm for the month of July at all. And things look to be quiet in regards to any source of development for the near future. But of course, my channel is here to keep you posted on all that is going on. So that's pretty much what I wanted to bring to your attention today. And I do hope you found this update to be informative. If you have any questions, as always, you can feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll get to you when I can, and remember to always be weatherwise.